Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be working on my girlfriend's 2016 Ford Fusion, and we're going to be switching out the halogen low beam light bulbs with some LED low beam light bulbs. For this specific model, you'll be required to remove the front bumper in order to get access to the headlight housing, and then you can put in your new light bulbs. Before we continue, we got an exciting giveaway to celebrate 1,000 subscribers on the channel. LastFit is going to be giving away a wireless car charger phone holder to one of you guys. Like we showed here, we mounted ours on the AC vents in the car. And all you have to do is place your phone on it and it'll automatically close and start charging your phone. I love this thing and definitely recommend it to you guys to check it out. If you guys want a chance to win one, all you need to do is subscribe and like the video, follow my Instagram revolve_auto, and follow LastFit on Instagram at LastFitAutoLighting. And secondly, to win, let me know which mods you'd like to see next on the channel in the comment section down below. Winner will be announced within 10 days after this video is posted, and I will reveal it on my Instagram. Best of luck to you all. Now back to the installation. We are installing the LS Plus series LastFit low beam lights. I will make sure to have a link in the description down below for you guys to grab a set of these. There are going to be some clips on the top of the engine bay which you'll need a clip remover to get out, or just a flathead. Once you get these clips out in the engine bay and on the side of the bumper, you can pop the bumper off. The light swap is pretty easy. All you need to do is pop open the little housing cover and put the new LastFit light bulb in. Here's where you'll remove some bolts to get the headlight housing loose. Make sure they work before putting the headlight back in, since there is only one way the plug will work. And then here's the LS Plus series LastFit low beam light and the old halogen light bulb. Now we're going to showcase the brightness at night for these LEDs. The high beams on the car don't necessarily seem bright at all after testing the visibility with the LEDs, so I definitely recommend you guys to check it out. If you guys want to purchase a set of these, I will have a link in the description and comment section down below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys enter to win the wireless car charger phone holder giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.